like thing, they assume that they give 20 minutes for part 1, 40 minutes for task 2. It's not the case. They give you the exam, and as I told you in the last class as well, that's totally up to you. You can do task 1 in 15 minutes, you can do task 1 in 25 minutes, even in 40 minutes, and even you can start with task 2. That's even better. So that's totally up to you. They never tell you that you have to finish task 1 in 20 minutes and then you start task 2. It's totally up to you when you start, because for task 2 there are 63% marks, and for the task 1 33% marks. So when they will give you the test, but they will not give you any instructions that you have to finish task 1 in 20 minutes or task 2 in 40 minutes. That's totally up to you. How long you take for every task. And I think this one we have done as well. This scoring criteria, you score 8, 6, 6. Start with task 2, it's better, and grading criteria. Very well. And then this one, obviously, general writing task, separate paragraphs. Organizing is a key ingredient for quality over quantity. So as I said to you, like even if you write 150 words, but that's like if that's full of good quality vocabulary, lexical resource, advanced vocabulary, some idioms you throw, and then some like collocations, phrasal verbs and all that, and you explain in the lecture what all the points in the letter, they are all covered, then you will get maximum marks. Even if you write like 200 but you haven't used advanced vocabulary, you don't have variety of vocabulary, means you are using the same word over and over again, and even you do some grammatical mistakes, but even if you write 200 you will not get that mark. So quality over quantity.
So when they say write a letter not exceeding 150 words, I can still go to 200 or maximum 225, right? Not more than that.
230.
With that quality.
That's the max. So obviously, if you write like 300, they will have a feeling that you are trying to be horizontal. And they don't really have time to check that something. They will just go down to 30 and they will mark you, because they are checking lots and lots of exams. They don't really have time. And they would think that you are trying to be horizontal. So that's the other thing. And more you write, more chances of doing mistakes. That's the thing as well. And then that 130, 225 words, 150 words minimum, 175 to 225 words. That's the max you can go. But you have to learn. More you write, you will practice, and you will be able to do the time management and you have to count the words as well, because you have to practice. It's not really that easy. Otherwise, if you are just writing and to make sure that you have written 150 words, that's not really that easy. Once you have even completed and you find out, there are only 130 words. So that you have to practice. You have to write more and more lectures, and you have to practice and do the time management. That many words, I've done it. And that many words like that. So you have to practice that and keep counting the words. Whenever you are writing a lecture, keep counting the words. That's very important. And as I told you, 11 to 9 sentences generally. Learning questions type, you have to understand the question type. It is very important. If it's a formal letter, as I told you about informal, formal, semi-formal, you have to learn and you have to go accordingly. That's very important as well.